All right, let's have a look at SMCI. So market recently opened. It's been only 2 hours or so. SMCI down 4.5%, and stock is trading at $20.67. So last time, if you guys remember, when they released the numbers for the quarter, this was the low, $20.20. But I'm watching 20 and 50 as a possible area of support right here. And if it does break below, well, can this stock go all the way to 11 bucks or maybe even lower? Can it go to 16 first, 15, and then go to 14 and then 11.62? Absolutely. Let's watch what's going on with this name. So this is a daily trend. You can see clearly trend is to the downside. And as a disclosure, no, I don't have a position. I'm not trading it because premiums were expensive. I'm just keeping an eye on this one. So it says earnings today after market standard. I don't know why, but today actually, so probably it's not going to be released because we have a SEC filing where they came out and said that they filed this inability to timely file Form 10Q or 10QSB. So was it the due date for them to, because they released the numbers that day, election day, sneakily they sneaked it in, and now they cannot file that thing. So now officially they have two delinquent forms. So I personally speaking, again, this is purely my opinion. This is not a financial advice, purely for entertainment, education purpose only. I have no doubt that they were cooking the books, and it's just, again, last time, just like I told, they will kick the can as long as they can. Why? Because these guys were pretty big customers of Nvidia. So again, this is pretty big risk for entire semiconductors, okay? And if we take a look at the overall market today, heat map, you can see semis are all not doing well. It's not significantly down, but you can see from heat map, Nvidia 1%, Broadcom 2%, AMD 1.2, 1.8, Texas Instruments, Qualcomm has been weak for quite some time, Micron pretty weak 2.7, CLAC is down, LRCX down, ADI on, I mean all the semiconductors except for Intel, which is only up 1%. Everything is down. So SMCI, flirting with this. Probably 20 would be a really good level to watch as a psychological level, because as soon as it cracks 20, I would be seeking to trade this name to the downside. In terms of implied volatility, has it come down? No, it is still expensive. If you take a look at IV, for next week, November 22nd, this stock is implying $5, which is 25% move up or down. $5 up or down. For this week, $2.50 so far. That's the price. But I'm going to be watching this name to the downside and waiting for some sort of a headline. If there's any headline is going to come out, you got to be careful to the upside as well. Just like last time, it drifted higher after earnings report, casually going up. This is what I was talking about, actually. It went up almost 34%, 30%. So you got to be careful of those things too. So yeah, can it drift like this? Absolutely. And if you are trading options, I mean, 30% up against your position, I mean, you can lose 100% of your money very quickly, 90% very quickly. When it comes to stocks, same thing. If you're shorting naked shorts, you got to be careful. This is possible. This can melt up. But if it cracks, it's probably going to those levels. 11.62. That's what I'm going to be watching below 20. Yes, I have a bunch of alerts here, but I'll probably move my alert to around like $20 and watch it below 20 if it cracks that level. But let's see what it does. So far, you can see that move 30% was faded in 3 consecutive days, 4 trading sessions so far. But that's the update for SMCI. That's what I'm watching. See you in the next one.